Hello and welcome back to day 6 of our breakfast series. Today I'll be making a delicious and comforting masala upma. It's quick, healthy and flavorful. Here is what we will need. Chopped coriander leaves, ginger, green chillies, curry leaves, urad dal and mustard seeds for tempering, some veggies and rava. We will start by heating oil in a kadai. To that add mustard seeds and urad dal and wait until it splutters and turns slightly golden. Next to this add in green chilli, ginger and curry leaves. Saute this until aromatic. To this, next add finely chopped onions and saute it until the onions are cooked and turns translucent, adding a little salt. Once the onions is cooked and turns translucent, add in chopped tomatoes and cabbage. Give this all a good mix and wait until it is slightly cooked. Once they are slightly cooked, add in water and wait for a boil. Next to this, add in few coriander leaves and cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Now that the veggies are cooked and the water is also boiling, gradually start adding roasted rava, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Give this all a good mix and cover and cook for 3 to 5 minutes on low flame. Finally, give this all a good mix, garnish with some fresh coriander leaves and turn off the flame. Cover this with a lid and let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes before serving. Our soft and flavorful upma is now ready to be served. Serve this hot and enjoy.